Homie, what are we doing today?
We're dynoing the Civic.
Oh boy. Hopefully it doesn't blow up. What do you think it's gonna make?
285.
Alright, but apparently it's not already tied, so we'll see how much it actually makes, but
Oh, no, it's loud. It makes 560 wheel right now.
Really?
Yeah.
So this just showed up. The Civic alarm's going off again. They keep doing pulls with the SCI, and the Civic is just waiting. The Civic is on, boys. Without VTEC?
Yeah, because he said he had to turn VTEC off because the injectors are too small to hold it right now.
Yeah, so the injectors are too small for this car right now?
He has a pair though, he said at home.
Really?
So he's gonna, next, as soon as we can, he's gonna bring it.
How much are the bigger injectors, do you know?
80 bucks.
That's it?
He's selling them
For all four?
80 bucks.
Alright, so we done tuning out here. We got 250 horsepower, but the main problem right now is injectors are too small. So it's gonna come back next week. Retune bigger injectors, bigger fuel pump, and a resistor box of some sort, whatever that means. I'm not quite sure, but for now, 215 horsepower. Homie, what's the boost at?
Right now?
Yeah.
Like 6 pounds.
Yeah, only 6 pounds right now, which is really not enough for this turbo at all. So probably 10 eventually, which should be a lot more horsepower. Probably looking more like 300 wheel, which is a considerable amount for this kind of tiny car. But should be fun. But yeah, now we're gonna head back. Oh god. Oh god.
Shit, bro. Bugging. That's how he does it. Doesn't know where he's going, doesn't know what he's doing. He's just driving.
It's an animal.
Where?
On the ground.
Was it dead?
Yeah, dude, someone hit it.
Oh, that sucks, dude. I thought it was gonna be my new pet.